reviewing this application here to promote you how to use this application here like a pro to get the best results when using. Stay tuned. Here, this is pretty much the home screen of the application. Very, very simple layout. And as you can see all the workouts. You can choose anyone that you want to start with. You can see scroll on and see the rest of the workout. And over here, a few lines, nothing much. You have a meal plan, which you can start using today. Also, you have a shopping list of the items that you will need to start your meal plan. Also, you have a day one. If you tap on day one, you can see pretty much what you need to eat for your snack, lunch, and dinner, whatever the case is. So that's pretty much it for that there. And if I go back here, I can pretty much select any one of these. So let's say I want the beginner level. I can pretty much add it. And here I will start first week. To complete this beginner level, it's 50 days. So 56 days. So once you have selected on the stage you want to start or the training that you want to start, just stop and go. And it will pretty much show you all the workout exercise that you will need to do. So once you're going to start workout, you can just stop and go. And let's say you want to edit it a bit. You may want the jumping rope exercise to be at the top. You can just hold on to the side here with the two lines and swipe it up, and you should be good to go. And once you're finished editing the options or whatever you want to be at the top, bottom, whatever the case is, stop and save, and you're pretty much good to go. So that's it. That's really pretty much it for the application. Also add the food that you eat, so you can pretty much track your calories. So you add for your lunch, you add for your breakfast, you add for your dinner. So if you don't do that, the app cannot give you accurate results as it relates to the calories. And at the top here, it will just show you the progress. If you have worked out today, or if you have used the application at all. If you haven't, you have missed out some days. If you have worked out, whatever the case, it will show you at the top here. So that's pretty much it for that there. And if I tap on the star icon here, it pretty much will show you a subscription page. And as I said before, you get a 3 days free trial and you start paying the 14, whatever the cases. So that's really pretty much it for this. And if I miss anything at all, comment below. See you guys in the next one.